guys, and welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Charisse, and today we are gonna eat a bacon. Don't freak out, don't freak out. It is vegan bacon, and girl, it's fucking hot in here. I wanna first give a huge shout out to Christine for helping to support this channel. If you guys wanna help donate, go to my PayPal, midnightmunchiesandmore@yahoo.com, and let's just get right the fuck into it, shall we? First thing we have to do is make our little special sauce that's gonna make our eggplant crisps taste like a bacon. So we're gonna start with 2 tablespoons of EVOO, that's extra virgin olive oil, and then we're gonna take 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and we're gonna take 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. You can certainly use like a maple syrup or something like that. We're gonna do 1/4 teaspoon only of liquid smoke, you guys, because that shit is strong. And okay, if you're like me and you can't find liquid smoke, you guys, it's in the barbecue section, like the barbecue sauce section. Like, are you kidding me? How did I not fucking know? I looked for like months. Okay. And then we're gonna take 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin. We're gonna pop that guy in there if it'll come out, and we're just gonna whisk this up until fully combined. Now we're gonna set it aside and start prepping our eggplant. I chopped off the ends of our eggplant and then I peeled it. You can certainly use the peel on if you prefer. I just don't like the peel of an eggplant, so I peeled mine. So we're gonna cut it in half, and then we're gonna cut it in half again. So we're making quarters. This is gonna give us smaller size pieces and easier to work with for our mandolin. Of course, my eggplant is smaller than your guys' eggplant probably will be, but it's fresh from my friend's garden, so I wanted to use it up because, you know, it's gonna be delicious. And we're just gonna make little bacon sized pieces. So mine are a little bit smaller, yours might be bigger, whatever you got going on with your eggplant. But again, mandolin safety 101. If you saw my zucchini chips or my zucchini roll-ups, you would see that we used the mandolin on our little 3rd notch. I just got this off of Amazon. I just went to Amazon and searched mandolin. And safety 101, use your safeguard, you guys. If you watched my zucchini roll-ups, hopefully that was a big enough scare for you guys to realize how incredibly serious that it is to be careful, because this is a really fucking sharp blade. Then we take our rings off because we're going to get our hands dirty. If you don't want to get your hands dirty, you can just lay your eggplant down on your greased or parchment papered cookie sheet and just give them a brush on each side. But fucking nobody's got time for that. So I'm just going to go right in there and I'm just going to dip a bitch and give it a little shakety shake, rock and roll, shake it, shake, get the excess off, and then just lay it down. And we're just gonna keep on going. Now I have my oven preheated to 275 degrees, and we're gonna put these in for about an hour, flipping halfway through. Now, when I tell you oven times and temperatures, I wanna be really clear here, you guys, because my oven's like, as you guys have seen from some of my other cooking equipment, my oven is from like 1985 or whatever. I don't know. That was when I was born. But my oven's really, really old. It's not a convection oven. I know everybody has different sized ones, different, like, you know, if they're new or not new, what have you. So keep an eye on it. Like, you should always be doing that no matter what recipe you make, no matter what it says. Make sure you keep an eye on your goods, especially when you're making something thin and delicate like an eggplant bacon or zucchini chips or something like that. So we're just gonna keep on going, and then we're gonna pop these bad boys in the motherfucking oven. Yeah, guys, look at our bacon. Can you see it? Oh, look at it. Faking bacon. All right, so we gonna try it. I'm gonna get a real crispy bitch up in here. Oh. I'm gonna have to 5-second rule that bitch. Okay. I fucking bacon. Like, look at that. Can you see my, okay. I'm obsessed with this. Oh, yeah, you can use carrots, you can use like shiitake mushrooms. There's a lot of different vegetables that you can use if you just want to use the same basic sauce mix that I used on top of it before you roast it. I will say my smaller pieces only took about 45 minutes, but the bigger ones did take an hour. You can throw these in, like, I want to put them in my vegan mac and cheese, like, really bad. I want to make a BLT. Like, I'm so excited. I live in this teeny tiny mountain town. We don't have vegan options. I don't really like vegan meat replacement frozen things in the grocery store anyways. This is everything. And thank you, Jenny and Chris, for that eggplant. You want the full written recipe? Go to my webpage, will be linked below, midnightmunchiesandmore.com, and make sure you guys subscribe. You gotta subscribe. You gotta hit that bell. You gotta get the notifications, bitches. And I will see you fucking next time.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.